Welcome to UC EAP 101. Your adventure starts here. We have a lot of information packed into this 15-minute presentation, so we'll move quickly. Please feel free to take screenshots of any of the slides. The presentation will also be available on the UC EAP website afterwards.
Let's start by highlighting the benefits of studying abroad through UC EAP, the official study abroad provider for the entire UC system. Our programs are designed specifically for UC students. With programs in over 40 countries, you will find the perfect study abroad program to suit your needs. While on UC EAP, you remain enrolled in your UC campus, which means you do not need to take a leave of absence during your study abroad program, and your UC financial aid goes with you. Additionally, you are guaranteed that all the courses you take abroad will receive UC credit.
With a wide variety of programs available through UCAP, you may be wondering, how do I choose the program that's right for me? Here are a few things you may want to ask yourself as you consider your options. Why am I studying abroad? Think about what you hope to accomplish while you are abroad. Do you want to take classes for your major, minor, GEs, or maybe all of the above? Do you want to try classes taught in a different language? Perhaps you're looking for something more hands-on and want to participate in an internship or a research project. Where do I want to go? Think about the location you want to be at. Is there a country or an area of the world that interests you? Do you want to be in a large city or a small town? Maybe you want to spend time in more than one location. When do I want to go? Think about how study abroad fits in with your plans. Are there any academic or personal obligations you need to take into consideration? What is my eligibility status? Think about the requirements for each program. Do you meet the GPA, class standing, campus, language level, and prerequisites needed for that specific program? Who do I want to be with? Think about the people that will be part of your daily life abroad. Do you want to take classes with local, international, or UC students? Do you want to live on your own with other students or with a local family in a homestay? There isn't a right or wrong answer for these questions. It's a matter of figuring out what your priorities are and deciding what's best for you. With this in mind, we will now show you how to navigate your way through the UCEAP website to find your future study abroad program.
Once you arrive at the UCEAP website, go to the menu and click on Find a Program. This page enables you to use search filters to find a program that is right for you. So let's explore how these filters can help find your adventure. Think back to some of our questions from the previous slide. Where do you want to go? You can click on geographical region or country to narrow down your options. On the right side, program cards will display according to your filter selections. These program cards give you a snapshot of the program location and requirements. You can also search by disciplines and language of instruction. When asking yourself, why do I want to go? Filtering by experience type can help. An immersion program means you will get an immersive study abroad experience in class with local students and select courses from host university departments to fulfill major, minor, or GE requirements. With an international program, you will choose classes from a list designed for study abroad students. You'll learn alongside other international students and make friends from all over the world. Multi-site is just like it sounds. You will visit and study in 2 or more locations and explore the unique perspectives in each site. A themed program focuses on a specific topic. It gives you in-depth knowledge on a topic such as social justice, public health, or sustainability. With UC curriculum programs, you choose courses from a short, custom menu designed for the University of California, while also meeting students from around the UC system. Another question is, when do you want to go? Check out the filter for term. You can select from any term that fits with your academic plan. Since each program has its own eligibility requirements, you also have the ability to filter by GPA and class level. If at any time you are not getting the results you are looking for and or want to change your filters, just hit the reset button at the bottom of the filter list.
Once you find a program you're interested in exploring, click on the Explore this Program button on the program card. You will see a menu of topics to explore. Click on the Dates and Eligibility subpage to see when the program is offered and the specific requirements by term. Click on the Academics subpage to go into depth about the academics that are offered. As you scroll down the page, you will come to a subtitle called Catalogs and Resources. The UC EAP course catalog gives you an idea of courses previous students have taken during this program. You can also explore the course catalog at the partner institution, compare academic offerings across partners, and learn about the ways past students have applied UC EAP coursework to their degree requirements. If you're interested in exploring housing, go to the Housing subpage and read about the different options available to you for this specific program. Each type of housing option has a brief overview of what you can expect and who you could potentially live with. If a program offers an internship component as well as an academic studies, you can click on the Internship subpage to learn more about internship opportunities. The Cost subpage gives you an idea of the estimated cost and breakdown of the fees for that program. You can customize your estimate by responding to the questions under each heading. The Support and Safety subpage gives you a general overview of what to expect in terms of on-site support. You will receive more detailed information during your pre-departure process. The How to Apply subpage includes the next steps you should take, as well as information about your campus application deadlines. When you're ready to apply, simply go back to the Program Details page by selecting the program name at the top of the page. Then select the orange Apply Now button located in the Program at a Glance card to start your UC EAP application.
We hope this presentation has provided you with a starting point on your study abroad journey and encourage you to explore the UC EAP website for detailed information about program options, finances, health and safety, and more. You should also visit your UC Campus Study Abroad office website for information on application steps and deadlines. Once you have determined which program you are going to apply to, you can start an application by selecting the Apply Now button on the UC EAP website. You can contact the system-wide office for more information. The general email is on this slide. We also offer office hours where you can schedule an appointment to have a video call with an advisor at the system-wide office. The link to make an appointment is in the chat. Thank you for attending this session. We will now move on to Q&A. Please send us your questions in the chat box.